Hi, something I totally forgot about. Since I've had this cold, I had to go to my son's school Christmas concert last night. Um, I've had scratchiness in my throat and a cough. So last week, and I haven't taken these all week, but I bought these cough drops, and they're sugar-free. They're cola, sugar-free. But on the ingredients, it says, well, I hate taking anything with aspartame, but they're cough drops. I needed them. And aside from all the herbs and stuff, they also have isomalt and sorbitol. So maybe it's a possibility this screwed up. Look, it could have been, I guess, a few things, but this could be the culprit. If anybody knows if this type of thing is not good for P2, again, I didn't really feel like I had a choice. I haven't really used them most days, but I didn't want to sit there hacking my brains out, and they do help sometimes. So maybe this was the culprit in why I didn't lose weight. And I had them at night, and it was on an empty stomach. I didn't eat dinner until I came home. So, I don't know. Tell me what you think. Totally forgot about this. It's amazing, things you forget about. Not thinking of it. Bye.